Easily package and deliver your content.
When delivering FrameMaker content, share a document, a book, or even a DITA map by creating a self-contained package of all your content. It's easier than ever to include everything you need. The package feature makes it easy to share your content with peers, subject matter experts, vendors, or other stakeholders. Just specify your options and then use the settings feature if you want to exclude any content types. By default, all videos and graphics, content references, cross-referenced materials, text insets, and linked or embedded objects are included. As soon as you click Package, FrameMaker quickly creates a package of your files, all neatly compressed into a single zip file that contains all your source content. If your source is a complex file set, don't worry. Even DITA maps and referenced maps, images, and any other dependencies are automatically included during packaging. The resulting package contains all your documents, books, or DITA maps, with all referenced files, images, and configurations included, and it's all ready to share.
For a personalized demo, or if you have any questions, please write to us. Our email address is techcom@adobe.com.